So I recently ran a poll on my YouTube channel, which was asking, how long have you been trading? The answers were actually pretty shocking. Now I know this is a smaller sample size, it's only 1.2 thousand votes, but the data remains the same across my Twitter and YouTube, which was about 50% of you have only been trading for less than 6 months. And I was thinking, what would I want to know when I was very fresh? So that's what this video is about. I'm going to kind of go over some general thoughts and just kind of run through a list of things that I wish I knew. Keep in mind, the last one I think is potentially the most important, so stick around for that. The very first one is that trading takes way more time than you ever think it would. I like to use this example of doctors, right? You don't want a doctor operating on you when they've only been in for 6 months, right? They've only been to med school for 6 months. You don't want them cutting open your body and performing surgery on you, right? You want someone who's super experienced, making the big bucks to be operating on you. Well, likewise, if you want to be a big dollar trader, you probably need a little bit of experience, understanding market conditions, etc., in order to be able to pull that off. Enjoy the process, right? Which brings me into step 2, which is, why are you doing it? Are you doing it for passion or for greed? We all come into the markets wanting to make money. That's the whole point of day trading, right? But why are you doing it? Do you actually enjoy day trading, or is it just like, man, I hate doing this, but I need to make some money today? If it's the latter and you're this early in your day trading career, if you don't really love what you're doing, it's going to be just a terrible road ahead of you because of how much time it requires and how much potential money lost it requires, etc. Now, the third one is going to kind of go into some things that I wish I knew about trading specifically, which is learn price action first and then work on learning indicators and stuff. The charts and the price action is what matters. If you're going to work on a 5-minute chart, learn how to read the charts on a 5-minute chart. From there, you can actually build because you have a good foundation of what all of these other things are trying to help show you, which is how fast is price moving or what type of price action are we having. But all those things are really just helping you identify the current price action. So learn price action. The second piece of that is learn volume-based things, right? Volume profile, TPO charts, how VWAP works. Maybe it's cumulative delta. Learn those volume-based things because that is also going to tell you how price action is working. Learn those and learn them well first. Start with price action. The next thing is to pick a market and just stick with it. I struggled when I was first starting out with bouncing around different things. I was trying penny stocks, and then I went to crypto, and then I went to large caps, and then finally I settled on futures. It's nice because you just have to wake up and you know exactly what you're going to trade every single day. Pick something and stick with it. When you're first learning, that's what you're doing. You're learning, right? Learn how that asset moves. If you're trading crypto, trade Bitcoin. Learn how Bitcoin moves every single day. If you're trading futures, learn how the ES moves every single day. The longer that you spend watching it, the more your brain's going to pick up on how it's moving and things like that. Next, don't worry about an automated trading strategy. I can't begin to tell you how many times I see people asking me, asking each other, trying to figure something out. And it always is newer people who think, again, that the markets might be a good, rich, quick scheme, or they've been advertised some bot that's working. So just give it up. Learn how to trade yourself from the get-go. Don't worry about coding some automated trading bot or buying someone's automated trading bot. Just don't do it. The next one, a lot of information is out there for free. You don't have to buy someone's new cutting edge course. There's a lot of information out there for free. If you're struggling, well, you've already found my YouTube channel. It's all free here. The Discord chat is linked down below. It's also free. The community of traders, all trying to help each other become better. That also brings me to this next point, which is there is no holy grail trading strategy. Why? Because all of our emotions are different. Our accounts are different. The way that we see the markets are different. Maybe you take a bit and a piece from here and here and here, and then you combine it to make your own strategy because that's how your brain works the best. There's lots of different options out there, but at the end of the day, you're going to probably have to create your own strategy in some capacity in order to make it in the trading game, right? You got to do what your brain knows how to do. And this brings us to the last point, which is very important, especially for new traders, is to paper trade. Don't go directly into a live account. It's asking for that account to get blown because at the end of the day, you're trying to figure out what strategies are working, right? You're testing. Take longer than you think you need in a simulated risk-free environment so that you can trade longer. And in order to extend it even longer, go from a simulated account to a funded account through a prop firm. There's a lot of different companies out there. I like TopStep. Our Discord really likes TopStep. The community really does. They've been around for forever. It's the first link down below if you want that. You're going from a simulated risk-free environment to a slightly more at-risk environment because you are paying that monthly fee to start off, but you have upside, right? You can actually make money on this account. What that does is it allows those emotions to be kind of connected slowly. Whereas if you go directly from a simulated account to a live personal account, your money is going to be affecting your feelings, and that $5,000 or $10,000 that you put into that personal account can vanish very quickly when you're day trading. These are all things that I wish I knew when I was 6 months into trading. A lot of hopefully things that killed a lot of my time: automated trading strategies, believing in holy grails, finding which markets to trade, etc. All those things sucked a lot of time out of my trading journey. So hopefully it saves you some time not having to do those things, and maybe you can actually put that time into learning new strategies that you might find here on YouTube or in Discord or wherever it is. Good luck on your trading journey. I hope to see you way longer than 6 months here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. Come hang out in my free live streams. They're every morning at market open. Stay in the game as long as possible. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Peace.